Okay guys, so if we're converting decimals to fractions, it gets a little bit tricky. So what we actually need to do, we create a fraction. The top line of the fraction, all right, is basically whatever numbers appeared in the decimal without the decimal place. The bottom line of the fraction is a 1, followed by as many zeros as there were in the original decimal. Let's have a look at an example so that we can explain it a bit better. So, example, if I have 0.361 and I need to convert that to a fraction. So what I'm going to do equals create a fraction. So 361 goes on the top line of my fraction. I don't have a decimal point because the idea of fractions is that we are getting rid of the decimal point. And then on the bottom line, I'm going to put a 1. And since there were 3 decimal places in my original number, I'm going to put 3 zeros. So my answer is 361 over 1,000. One thing to note here, guys, is that in harder questions, you might have to simplify this fraction later on. Another example that I'm going to look at is if I have 0.0073. Alright, so when I put that into a fraction, I could put 0073 here on the top line, but the 00 wouldn't be useful, so I'll just put 73. But on the bottom line of the fraction, I still have to count the zeros as decimal places. So I'm going to have a 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So my answer becomes 73 over 10,000.